G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
The Easter Bunny.
the Easter Bunny. All right, let's do it.
Yay. So get your pens and paper ready.
What this is going to be, it's going to be sort of a bunny head here, 2 ears, and he's going to have his body holding an egg down here.
An eggy wiggy.
That's right, an eggy wiggy. Now, what you want to do is we want to do his nose, and we want to come sort of around in the middle here. So you want to do like a V shape here, like so, on an angle. There you go on there, Phoenix. Yep, and then you want to round that top off a little bit. Now we're not colouring this one in black today.
That's going to be pink.
That's going to be pink. All right, and now we want to do like 2 sort of sultana shapes here for the eyes. So you want to come up around here, go 1 sultana. Do you like sultanas?
What are sultanas?
It's like a dried grape. And then we're going to do another shape like that, oval shape there. All right, now we're going to do the bunny's mouth. So we're going to come down from the nose a little bit and we're going to hook in like that. It's kind of a U, I guess you could say. And then we're going to go do that on the other side like that. And it's going to be in line with this eye here. And we can go probably a bit longer there. There we go.
Yep.
Cool, awesome. Okay, so the next step is we're going to do the top of the bunny's head. So we want to come up to about here. We're going to draw like a little curved line just there. So imagine between these 2 eyes, it sort of starts there and ends there. Yep, it's kind of like an eyebrow, isn't it? Now what we want to do is we want to like leave a line here. So what we want you guys to do is draw a line like that on that side. So you can imagine an ear is going to go here. And imagine the imaginary line of the circle going around to here, and we'll just hook it in like that. Okay, so the other ear is going to go here. Now what we want to do, we want to draw a circle around there. Big tip, just go as quick as you can. Like that. Now let's do one of the bunny ears. So we're going to do a line that sort of goes up, comes around and goes in on the top here. So we'll go up, around and down in like that. And you can make it any shape you like as long as it's, you know, got the round edge on it.
Yeah.
Good work. Oh, wow, I like that. That's really cool,
It's
Phoenix.
a banana.
Looks like a banana. Now we want to do like another shape in here, and this one kind of looks like a flag that you see outside some coffee shops. So you go around, it's almost like you're drawing the letter P or a speech bubble in a comic book or word balloon. Good work, Phoenix. I like it. That's awesome. Okay, now the next step is obviously we're going to do the other ear. So he's going to have 1 ear up and 1 ear down. And so how do we do that? Well, that's a good question. So we're going to start at this part of the top of the head here. And you want to go sort of up to there, like so. Yep. And then we're going to, oh, yeah. And then we're going to go in like that on an angle. Okay, this is forming the part of where the bunny's ear loops down. And then what you want to do is you just want to go down like that, curve it around and come into there, but don't connect it, just leave a lot of space.
Yeah.
Yep, very good. Now, we're going to come in from here on the ear, and we're going to connect to this line on a curve to form off the rest of the ear of the bunny. That's so cool, Phoenix. That's awesome, man. Now we've got to make this over here, but obviously it's not going to be a full one. One of these isn't going to fit into here. It's only going to be half of it. So you want to come like so, like that, on an angle, and then you want to just draw in like that, however you wish. I've put a curve in mine to just give the illusion that it's a bit curved because he's got his ear down.
Me too.
And if this is straight, too straight here, see Phoenix, this is nice and curved. If it's too straight, you just curve it around.
Yeah.
Like so. All right, so next we're going to do the 2 little hands of the Easter Bunny. Now he's going to be holding an egg down here. So it's probably best we do the egg, it's probably best we do the hands first. So it's just going to be a circle. So we'll do 1 here.
It's going to be a ginormous egg.
Yep. Good work, Phoenix. And then we want to do Maybe one around here on the other side. Yep.
Just little round
Yep, just little round nuggets.
nuggets.
Now we want to do an egg. So remember the egg, when you draw an egg, it's sort of like a little narrow. It's more narrow at the top and bigger at the bottom. So sort of start here and we'll go into the bunny's head. Yep. And we're going to imagine there's an imaginary line going underneath there.
Well, my egg getting curved through it.
And we'll curve into here like that. That's all right, it doesn't have to. Like that, like Phoenix is doing. If yours doesn't go underneath the head, that's okay. That's all good. It's art, you're making it your own. Now, we're gonna do the rest of the egg at the bottom. So same thing, you wanna imagine that imaginary line going underneath the bunny's paw, going down, and there's a bit of a wider bottom at the bottom of this egg, and you want to go up into that egg there and imagine there's an imaginary line going in the paw there. Beautiful work, Phoenix. I love it.
And for patterns.
Well, we're going to do patterns at the end on the egg, but first let's finish off the bunny's body. Now, we're going to do a line here from the head to this bunny paw. Yep. And you can imagine that imaginary line. Oh, you're going to connect it in. If you've got space there like Phoenix, connect it in. So we can see now he's peekabooing behind the egg. Now, let's go one line down here to keep that going, just a small one. Good work. And now we've got to like do a hook in like this. So we're going to go up a mountain and really down to a mountain there. How are you going? Good work, Phoenix. And now we're going to do the bunny's foot. So we're going to go like that. Yep, and then we want to curve that a little bit, just so we can curve it a bit. And we want to just do a straight line back into the egg so it's the bottom of the bunny's foot. Cool. Now we're going to do this on the opposite side. This time it's just one curve like so. And then
that's a bird.
Curve around like that. I've lost a bit of room there. And you want to do the bottom of the sole. So imagine his foot is going off the page like that. If you've got enough room there, complete it like this side. Oh, like Phoenix. That's cool. My bunny looks like he's about to fall over. Maybe it's a big egg.
It's heavy.
It's a heavy egg. Now,
full of chocolate.
Full of chocolate. Now, let's do the patterns on the egg. So what we want to do here, these could be you could even make these mountains, W's or M's. Up to you what you want to call them.
All circles.
All circles, whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to do a simple pattern going up and down, like we're going up and down a mountain for there. And then over here, we're going to go up, down, and like so. Just do these ones at your own pace. Over here, go one. So there's an M. We'll make another M, slight M. We'll do some other mountainscapes, like we're in Canada or something, or we're going to climb Mount Everest.
And I'm done.
Now Phoenix is done, and I'm going to do one small one at the bottom here, like that. And guess what? That
was the quickest drawing ever.
Well, it's a pretty quick one, that one, but that is our bunny drawing. How cool does that look, guys? Are you really impressed with that, Phoenix?
Yep.
Now, looking at my bunny, I'm just going to like add a little bit of this here, just to show that he's actually not falling over or anything like that. But, you know, it's cool. I love what you've done there, Phoenix. That's awesome. Okay, so what's the next step, Phoenix?
Color in.
Color in. All right, let's do it.
Woo. Splash color.
So before we move on to the next step, guys, we'd really love it if you could subscribe to our channel and also give this video a like. Thanks so much. All right, there we go, guys. We just colored in the Easter Bunny. What did you think, Phoenix?
Ooh.
Yeah, you liked it. I love the colors that you used here, like the reds and the greens and the oranges and so forth. It's awesome. It looks really cool. It's like holding his egg. And can you imagine getting an egg like that on Easter? That'd be a very big egg. I think that'd last you a lifetime of eating chocolate. So this is a nice and simple one for you guys at home to try on Easter. Yeah.
Yep.
Once you've, collected your eggs for the morning, and then you can come in and draw a cool picture with the Easter bunny. How cool is that? Okay guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today we had fun making art, and I really hope you did too. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. What?
Thanks, guys. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay, I'm busting. Toilet.